Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Oral activity, body parts and their functions. Today, we are going to talk about our body parts and their amazing functions. Let's play a question and answer game. I'll ask a question and you try to answer it. Question 1. How do we see? Think about it. That's right. We see with our eyes. Our eyes help us look at the world around us. Question 2. How do we smell? Take a deep breath. Yes, we smell with our nose. Our nose helps us smell yummy food, flowers, and even bad smells too. Question 3. How do we hear? Listen carefully. Great. We hear with our 2 ears. Our ears help us listen to music, voices, and different sounds. Question 4. How do we taste? Stick out your tongue and think. Yes, we taste with our tongue. Our tongue helps us enjoy sweet, salty, sour, and bitter foods. Question 5. Who helps us to write? Try to write in the air. That's right. Our hands help us to write. We use our fingers to hold pencils, draw, and do so many things. Question 6. What helps us to walk? Stand up and take a step. Awesome. Our legs help us to walk. We run, jump, and dance using our strong legs. Great job, everyone. Now let's remember. Eyes help us see. Nose helps us smell. Ears help us hear. Tongue helps us taste. Hands help us write. Legs help us walk. And here's a special tip for today. Always brush your teeth before going to bed. Well done, kids. You learned so much today. Keep exploring, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.